Looking for the best tape dispensers? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 tape dispensers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Scotch, Industrial Packing Tape Dispenser. A classic design that is portable and easy to use. This heavy-duty dispenser is made of metal and plastic parts that are durable and rugged. You can control the amount of tension on the tape and the speed at which it deploys using the hub-mounted tape brake. Fits comfortably in the hand with a pistol grip design. Good for commercial, office, or home use. Works with 2-inch tape. Perfect for packing and sealing boxes. Only compatible with wide rolls. At number 2. NPW, Unicorn Tape Dispenser. Consider this shiny golden unicorn dispenser if you need a bit of whimsy with your adhesives. This dispenser is available in a gold color and is made of plastic. It arrives with a cute roll of rainbow tape so you can get right to work. Perfect for crafting, gift wrapping, or your office desk. It is big enough to be noticed, but won't take up too much desk space. The most fun for your desk. Not weighted so it moves when used. At number 1. Excell, Twin Roll Steel Desktop Dispenser. This is a premium quality desktop tape dispenser that is built to last. A rubber base holds this dispenser securely in place. Because it is so stable, you can comfortably use it with one hand. This dispenser works with tape rolls that have an outside diameter of 5 inches and a core diameter of 3 inches. Can hold 2 rolls at a time. A convenient safety guard covers the blade when not in use. Best and most practical option. Not the prettiest design. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.